graphic ready and you're ready to go, and you can just do it within Adobe Express using the content scheduler. Check it out. So I've got my design ready. All I have to do is click share. I am going to schedule this post. All my networks have already been connected, so I don't have to do that. I did it within 4 minutes. I'm going to schedule my post. I am going to come into the interface and I'm going to select Instagram because that's usually where I post first. I am going to take my caption and prepare it right here. So now I've finished putting all my content in. I am going to drop my hashtags in the first comment. I am going to schedule this, and I really want to post this tomorrow because it is a Christmas Eve post. So I am going to schedule this for the 24th. And actually, I want this just a little earlier. So I'm going to adjust the time. I want this to actually go at 10. You know, I'm a weirdo. I like to put these like 58 marks. Don't ask me why, but that's what I'm going to do. I am going to then hit schedule. And my content is ready to schedule, and you get a nice little notification down here in green that it's ready to go. So you can either view it or go ahead and schedule your next social media network, and you're ready to go. Voila, content is scheduled, all from one platform. What do you think? The other cool thing about this is, you think you're gonna have to recreate everything and redo everything again? Nope. You're simply gonna click on more options. You are going to duplicate the post, and now you're ready to set it up for your next social media network. I have a rhythm, so next I am going to schedule my Facebook post. And you're just going to follow the step throughout them all, adjust your post and your content for the network you are sharing this at, and you're ready to go. Voila, no more worrying. I've got a link in my bio for you to check out Adobe Express for 30 days, so check it out. Give it a test run in 2024 and try a new tool. It's going to save your life and time. Please note that this content is sponsored by Adobe Express.